National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 10 p.m. At 9:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wadsworth, or near Gurnee, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grays Lake, Grandwood Park, Gurnee, Zion, Lake Villa, Old Mill Creek, Gages Lake, Antioch, Beach Park, Venetian Village, Russell, Waukegan, Wadsworth, Park City, Lindenhurst, Winthrop Harbor, Round Lake Beach, Third Lake, Haynesville, North Chicago, Round Lake, and Round Lake Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio.